My name is Erik Lauritsen and I'm the mayor of Sønderborg Municipality. Since 2007, we in the Sønderborg area have been working hard to fulfill the Project Zero ambition of creating a carbon-neutral energy system. In the transport sector, our vehicles fleet is well on its way to being converted to electricity, and this transition is actually happening on the water as well. Sønderborg Municipality has 250 kilometers of coastline, and so the ferry transport has always played an important role in connecting us to our neighbors. That's why we are proud to have replaced 2 older diesel ferries with 2 new electric ferries. Through collaboration with the Ærø Municipality, Ærøfærgerne launched the electric ferry Ellen on the route between Als and Ærø in 2019. Ellen was quite the pioneer in electric ferry transport and is, as we speak, still the world's longest range fully electric ferry. In 2025, we reached another milestone on the route between Als and Fynen, where the ferry operator Alslinjen introduced Nerthus, a large modern electric ferry. It is clear that technology is moving fast. The batteries on Nerthus can be fully recharged in just 20 minutes, which means that the ferry can be charged while the passengers and vehicles board. Besides Ellen and Nerthus, Sønderborg Municipality is exploring how Bitten, the ferry connecting Jutland and Als, can be replaced with an electric ferry. I'm very proud of the strong partnership we have in the Sønderborg area. For example, Danfoss develops software for electric ferries, and researchers from the University of Southern Denmark have just discovered a way to reuse ferry batteries to store solar and wind energy on land. This supports the entire value chain and helps push even more fossil fuels out of the grid. All of this to reduce our CO2 emissions and build a sustainable future for Sønderborg Municipality.